Hello everyone. Yes, Games Workshop makes terrain, and good one. Killzone Volkus. Hello again. Today with me the Killzone Volkus. It was featured originally with the starter box High Storm, including Vespid and Tempestus Aquilons. But this one is only the terrain box. It includes 14 pieces, 2 building, 2 ruin and several scattered terrain. It is a multi-level urban battlefield. It adds verticality to the game and it fosters the vantage point rule, expanding the tactical option. For who doesn't know, the vantage point rules state that a model standing on high level can spot and shoot to models that are normally not completely visible. And in this video we are going to see the content of the box in about 3 minutes. If you want to see how to assemble and paint this terrain, you can dig for the right video on my channel, The Die Never Dies. Let's unbox it. First, here we have a 3 pages leaflet with the assembly instructions, but no painting guide. Here. Inside the box there are several sprues. I count 6 of them. This is the first with the wall of the building, one of the building. Then here another one where we can see a rock and a tank, a piece of tank. Here another portion of wall with several tanks. A quite robust, this plastic. The plastic is quite thick, looks really robust. Yeah, even you understand also by the sound when you dig on it. Then here another large portion of the wall and some floor for the upper decks. Here there is an air vent too, actually, with also the Killteam symbol to glue on the wall. We are at the last component included in this box, a big envelope. Let's open it. It's not easy to open it as usual. Okay. Inside we have the battlefield. It's dark color. You can see kind of metallic pavement and debris. 2 sides. One side with less debris here, and the other side a little bit more messy with more junk. The size of this board, the killing zone, is the standard 30 inches by 22 inches. In centimeter is about 76 centimeter by 50 centimeters. That's all for today. If you like the video, hit that like, and if you like more video like this, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ciao.